pure silk item. In this you will get many another different ranges also. One of the beautiful crush item, imported design. All original heavy imported fabrics. This one imported jacket style item. Here you will get belt also in this. Double flare. In this you will get color ranges also. This one has special white chart. Usually this all items are manufactured by us only. Pure heavy Toco fabric with inside lining. In this you have many another different prints also. Usually feeding top you won't get anywhere in the market. Pure heavy cotton fabric. Present it is a trending item, feeding top, and you will get a many ranges also in this. This one is also one of the best and highest selling design till yet. Pure heavy rayon one piece style top. In this you will get M, L, XL, double XL. Hi friends, I am Ahmad Asim from Milan High Fashion. So today I will show you all range. We have top, leggings, Indo-Western, Western and dupattas. So few items only today I will show you. If I will show you full range, then the video will be too much long. We have variety from 125 rupees to 600, but today I will show you the range from 175 to 600 range I will show you. So every range small few items I will cover it. So basically we are wholesaler and manufacturer of tops, kurtis and leggings. So every item you will get here like this bundle only. 4 piece bundle. Example I am showing you for that. One design 4 different colors, or sometime it is combo set, one design 4 different sizes with the same color. So minimum purchase is 5,000, online transfer undi, and cash on delivery option ledu. And another thing is the transport facility. Every facility is available all over India, all over world. So we have WhatsApp and video call option also. We will give you number on WhatsApp on screen. You can see that when you WhatsApp on that number, we will send you many photos. If you want video call option is also available. So I will explain you the address. We are actually located in Hyderabad, Medina Market, High Court Road. When you come over there on the main road, High Court Road, there is a landmark Shadab Hotel. Nearer to that there is a petrol pump. Opposite that you can see a big board Milan Fashion. That is the only building. Okay. So few items I am showing you right now. Okay. In this also, if you like, it's available, then we will give daily. You will get a new variety over here. So this is a straight cut item. In this you will get many different prints. This is all over mirror work over there. This is approx 165 rupees. Okay. In this you will get many different items. I am showing you few of that, so you will get an idea. This is crush fabric. You will get 5 different prints in this. Approximate 200 rupees price. Now I am showing you 200 to 300 range. This one is a pure cotton. Front, back, both side you will get prints. Classy item. This one is in double XL. Full foil print. In this you will get a different prints also. This one is also one of the foil print and another design. This one is approx 225 rupees price. Gold print all over here. Simple, sober, daily wear. It's very best item. This one is also very class item. In this also you will get every time different prints, different button style items. This also see pure rayon, front, back, both side gold print, plus this one gold print. Simple, sober, rich look. This item you won't get anywhere. This one is iconic. Iconic is our own production. In that iconic I will show you more few items. We have many items in iconic, but I will show you few items for your information. This one also you can see simple, sober, rich look, handwork over here. This one is also iconic designs only, so you won't get anywhere in this market. Stretchable from here, pure handwork item, and rayon two-tone, heavy rayon fabric. This one also you can see simple, sober, classic, handwork over here. Classic item for daily wear. This now I am showing you pure cotton, heavy cotton linen fabric. This one is also iconic product. You will get XL and double XL in this. The color which piece I am showing is double XL size. So simple, sober, office wear, college wear you can use it. And this range you will get many designs. In this another design you can see ikat print. Now it's in trending. Here thread work, light, slide. Sleeves will be also inside, and this katha work over here. This one is also iconic product. You can check it out. Class design. Sleeves also you can check it out. You will get 4 different colors in this, and this is the one of the highest selling item. We have repeated 8 to 9 times. Now this one is a double flare. This one is in present, it is in trending. In this you will get different designs from 295 to 395. You will get this print is example for 340. You will get more heavier than this also, more less present than this also. This also now is present in trending. Banaras style border with a handwork on over here. Here this also you can see handwork, pure cotton Banaras border. In this L, XL, double XL, 3 size also now available. This is also one of the best selling design. In this you will get a many range. I am showing you just few only so that you can get an idea like this. This one is also cotton related to this only. So mirror work item. In this we have many designs. Just for an idea I am showing you few of that so that you can get an idea. This one is a jacket item. Top jacket. You can see jacket also, different style. In this you will get many different varieties also jacket. This one is a synthetic fabric, sleeves, print all over diamond over here and double flare. In this you have XL and double XL both available. In this combo set is also available L, XL, double XL, 3XL different sizes. This one cotton full jacket, cotton fabric, one piece style and cotton jacket over here. When you see it, one of the best item and pure cotton. This is also very classic item, super design. This also one of the best and one of the highest selling item. This I am showing you, this one is a original piece. You will get many replicas also in the market, but we don't sell. So you will see a flare, quality, color combination, brightness. You can see you will get M, L, XL, double XL, 4 different size, 4 different pieces in this. This one all over work. This all over embroidery, long one piece style gown, pure rayon, heavy 14 kg, 16 kg rayon used in this. Now I am showing you few jacket items, now trending and one of the highest selling items. And this is a profitable item also. So when you keep it, you will get inshallah very good profit. This you can see the jackets. In this XL, double XL, XL, double XL, both sizes you will get. This one of the trending item now, right now. This also you can see. Croatia jacket. This item with dupatta. This one is top, pure heavy rayon one piece style top. In this you will get M, L, XL, double XL, 4 size, 4 different piece and dupatta in this with a gota patti work all over here border. In this also you will get many designs. Usually dupatta items are for about to 600 range. So one more item I am showing you dupatta now, so that you can get an. This one is also one of the best and highest selling design till yet. This one is a top, here all over mirror work, and this brand quality will not get any kind of problems in this range, because this one all brand items. You can see the dupatta size also, dupatta size also. This is also fancy combo set, M, L, XL, double XL, 4 size, 4 piece and with a jacket in there. You can see mirror work also in this jacket. In this you have many another different prints also. This also one of the print from this only jacket, top border print with the jacket. So like this you will get many range also. So till yet you have seen frock styles and long one piece style. Now I am showing you Indo-Western. In this also you will get a many range in this. Pure heavy Toco fabric with inside lining, 4-way lining and tilt. Attached jacket. In this also you will get a many ranges in this. This one of the ranges. And this usually this all items are manufactured by us only. So you will not get in market. The only original piece is 345 rupees only. Double flare. In this you will get color ranges also. This one has special white chart. This one imported jacket style item. Here you will get belt also in this. Same in this you have imported one more design. All original heavy imported fabrics, belt with this. One of the classic item. This one now trending. Actually now I will show you, you won't get, but I will try to put the photos on the screen of this item so that you will get an idea about this. This will come like this. So one of the beautiful crush item, imported design, very high selling item. Separate removable jacket. You can tie this. In this also you will get many range. Now I am showing you few customized dress, 2-3 designs only, so that you will get a many different designs in this. Present I don't want to make video longer, that's why I am showing 2-3 designs only. Pure silk item. In this you will get many another different ranges also, print, plain, Banaras border, every different items. This year all I have completed almost every item few piece. So till now yet from 175 to 165 to 600 range I have showed you. Dupatta, long, one piece, customized dress. 2-3 item I am showing you of feeding top also. So usually feeding top you won't get anywhere in the market. We have many ranges in feeding top also. This one is a pure heavy cotton fabric. You will get side zips also. This is approx 200 to 495 you will get a range. This is one for 200 rupees only. So usually you can sell in 299, 350 easily it will be, you can sell this, and you will get different prints also in this, like this different prints also you will get in this. Cotton, rayon, heavy rayon, silab rayon, every kind, any quality change, size change, the prices will be also changes in this. This one is also feeding top, embroidery with it. This one is a zip over here, two side also you can see this zip. Now present it is a trending item, feeding top, and you will get a many ranges also in this. So thank you very much for watching the video, and we have many more much range also apart from this that we can't show in video also, and many different items from the market which we make in iconic brand. So that also I can open on the video also, that's why I am not showing. If I request you come to store, you will get a huge range, and sure you will enjoy, and you will get a good profit in your business, and you will make a good name in your business compulsory, because many items you will get brands, big brands copy also available with us that you can't see in the market, and I haven't shown this type of items in the video. So if you visit store, it is quite better, you will enjoy the range, and we have WhatsApp option also. So if you ping on WhatsApp also, we will update you all ranges. Okay, and video call also available. Minimum purchase is above 5,000 only. So if you are a reseller or a retail, if you want a personal use, we have another next department. This one is a pure wholesale. Here we don't give loose or anything. We have another department, another building. In that you will get a only reseller and retailer, you can check it out. And in wholesale, retail at store also available with another next floor, that retail another department. But here is our total wholesale only. So retail number will be on the screen, you can check it out and you can call over there also. Thank you very much.